Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. In this tutorial, I'm going to share you how to cut and stitch the beginner's braziers. Before that, our channel has more unsubscribed viewers than subscribed viewers. So please subscribe now. Let's get started. I have taken a required fabric for that. This is the cotton fabric, folded side and open side. Here we have 4 layers. And it is very thick, so I am not using lining for it. So in the folded side, first 2 layers is for front portion and the other layers is for back portion. Length of the fabric is 11.5 inch. This can be increased or decreased according to your requirement, and width of the fabric is 9 inch. This is for 30 inch size. I am leaving few inches for seam allowance because I am going to make tucks for both front and the back portion. Mark 3 inch. This is the neck width point. And mark 2 inch. Mark ½ inch down for shoulder slope. Join these 2 points. So from this point, mark 5.5 inch. Join these points. Mark 7.5 inch for chest measurement. And for waist measurement, I am deducting ½ inch. So mark 7 inch. Join these 2 points. So mark seam allowance. Draw a armhole curve. And my neck depth is 5 inch. Here also you can increase or decrease the neck depth. It totally depends on you. Draw a round neckline for both front and the back portion. Now I am going to cut it. Now I am separating the back portion, and for the front portion, just fold the fabric by half, then press it nicely. And again from that point, mark 2.5 inch. Then extend these points. Now consider this as a center and mark 1 inch on both the sides. Then join this here. Now I am going to cut it. So this is how it looks. What I am going to do is just fold this and make a stitch here. I am just marking where we have to make a stitch. Make a stitch here. Similarly for the other side also, just make a stitch here. Then after attaching, I am placing the back portion on the front portion. Attach the shoulders. Just fold this and make a stitch. If you want, you can make double stitch also. I have finished attaching. Now I am going to attach the shoulders. This is how it looks. Now I'll make a top stitch at the shoulder. For the armhole, just fold the fabric twice at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch for both the sides. For the back portion also, we are going to make a tucks. So from the center, mark 4 inch here. Then from this point, mark 3 inch above and join this and leave some half inch space and join like this. So repeat the same. Mark 4 inch and here mark 3 inch. Then join these points. So just make a tux here. After that, attach both the sides. Now just fold it twice at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. I finished attaching at one side. Similarly, I'll finish the other side as well. Now I'm making tucks for the back portion. Just fold it and make it. I'm attaching the sides. Similarly, finish the other side as well. I have finished attaching both the sides and also for the back portion I finished the tuck. You can see this. Now, so lift only the front portion. This is the center of the front portion. Now I am going to slit at the center. So this is how it looks. Now I'll finish the bottom of the braziers. So for that I have taken a straight piece. I'm just placing this at the right side of the fabric and I'll make a stitch. After that I will turn and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. Then I have taken 2 strips to finish the front portion to attach buttons in the buttonholes. For that I have taken 2 strips. So width of the strip is 2 inch and the length of the strip depends on the fabric. Now I am finishing the bottom of the braziers. Just place the strip at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. Trim the excess fabric and make a top stitch. Now fold it twice and make a stitch at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished attaching. Now I have taken strips to finish one side of the front portion. Just place the strip at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. Now fold it twice at the wrong side and make a stitch. Similarly for the other side, just place the strip at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. Now trim the excess strip, fold it and make a stitch. Then fold it twice like this at the right side of the fabric and make a stitch. So now I'll finish the neckline. I'll finish the neckline by folding it twice at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch. With this, my stitching is complete. This is how it looks. I have finished attaching. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. This is so simple to make. I'll place a button here and I'll make a stitch. Thanks for watching.